Pakistan has been relentless in its efforts to foment terrorism in Jammu and Kashmir by exporting terrorists and munitions into the valley. But vigilant Indian security forces have been successfully busting all kinds of terror plans being hatched in the corridors of Rawalpindi and Islamabad. A major Pulwama-like incident got averted this week as security forces intercepted IED-laden car belonging to an active Hizbul Mujahideen terrorist. We have a detailed report.
This blast could have left a disastrous mark on Kashmir's history if it would have been successfully executed by Pakistan-backed terrorists. An intelligence input about the terror plan helped the security forces to avert the massive blast when they intercepted an IED-laden car in Pulwama on the night of May 27. A white Hyundai Sentra car with a fake registration number was signaled to stop at a checkpoint, but it tried to accelerate and go through the barricade. The driver managed to escape, leaving behind the car laden with 40 to 45 kg of improvised explosive device. The car, along with the IED, was later destroyed by a bomb disposal squad. Later, police identified the owner of explosive-laden car belonging to Hidayatullah Malik, an active member of Hizbul Mujahideen terror group. Hidayatullah Malik is a resident of Sharatpura in Shopian who joined the militant ranks in July 2019.
पुलवामा पुलिस ने सिक्योरिटी फोर्स के मदद से इस बहुत बड़े हादसा होने से रोक लिया। तो हम लोग सस्पेक्ट करते हैं जो आदिल जो है एचएम के मिलिटेंट है, लेकिन जैश के साथ भी चलता है, और जो फौजी भाई है पुलवामा में जो पाकिस्तानी मिलिटेंट है, जैश के कमांडर है, ये तीनों मिलके इसको अंजाम दे रहा था।
The plan had chilling similarities with last year's terror attack in Pulwama, when over 40 soldiers were killed as a suicide bomber, Adil Ahmed Dar, drove a car full of explosives into a CRPF convoy. The blast was so intense that the body parts of the martyred Indian security officers could be seen strewn around the area. The attack was carried out by Pakistan-based terror group Jaish-e-Mohammed.
I would like to compliment the security forces for being alert and having an excellent intelligence system and diverting this major event which could have happened. But it is again a warning to Pakistan and the terrorist network and the ISI, which has still not stopped the old story narrative and their agendas in this area. It's a warning to them that none of their such ill-intentioned activities will be permitted to succeed. It is an indication, it's a challenge and a message to them.
Frustrated by its failure on all fronts in Jammu and Kashmir, Pakistan has been pursuing new terror plots to attack the security forces. Amid COVID-19 outbreak in the past 2 months, there has been a spurt in terror attacks in the Union Territory. Indian security forces have been lucratively foiling all of their attempts and eliminated several Pakistan-trained terrorists. Riaz Naiko, one of Kashmir's most wanted terrorists and the commander of terror group Hizbul Mujahideen, was killed in one of these encounters in Pulwama earlier this month.
Pakistan is a nation of terrorists. Pakistan wants bloodshed, and once again Pakistan is exposed before the international community that see, even during this corona lockdown period, what Pakistani terrorists and Pakistani ISI are doing in Kashmir Valley. Hats off to the Jawans of Indian Army and Jammu and Kashmir Police for foiling this attempt of Pakistani terrorists in Kashmir Valley. This is very big achievement of our Jawans. Once again, Indians Jawans won and Pakistani terrorists failed.
At a time when the countries are making an integrated approach to face the challenge of COVID-19 pandemic, Pakistan is focusing on its strategies to spread terrorism in its neighbor and across the globe. Pakistani army generals, who are the real masterminds behind most of the terror attacks, believe that the world won't notice their devious plans amid the pandemic outbreak. But to their surprise, not only all of their diabolic activities are being monitored, but are being given a befitting reply by the Indian forces.